Davies is unique in a sense that we have all these hands-on labs, half of our day, if not longer, for students to spend in the shop, on machines, creating projects, practicing all those skills they learned in the classroom, and then they can take that knowledge and skills and actually practice it at the machines. At the end of the day, they have something to show that they created more than just an assignment handed in on a piece of paper.
I come into the shop every day really excited to come to shop. I'm really comfortable with my teachers and asking them questions, and I feel like they're really good at answering our questions and explaining them the way that they should be explained. The assignments that they provide us to do are very valid and will definitely help us in the future in the skills that they prepare us with.
First off, we are the only machine technology program in the state. So if any student is looking to learn any type of manufacturing skills, whether it's machining, blueprint reading, hands-on practice in the shop, making projects, welding, fabrication, Davies is the place to be. We have manual machining. We also have CNC machining. Those are machines that are run by computers. We also work with 3D printers. So we have all of the gadgets, all the fun equipment that students want to run and are interested in using. We have today's latest technology. We're trying to incorporate automation, so utilizing robotic arms to create an automated space. That is where technology is headed. So we're always looking to be just one step ahead of the curve.
Machining is an art. It all starts off with a sketch, a blueprint, and you're looking at it and you're trying to figure out how to make it more and really execute the project the way that it should be executed. You get to watch everything come to life from step one to finishing and inspecting the part. I think Davies does a great job with providing us with the resources that we need and stuff that we are going to see out in future shops.
I think what makes me a great instructor is just my ability to relate to the student. Me as a student going through this program many years ago, I have an idea kind of what it takes to be successful and also what kind of skills are necessary upon graduation and where those skills can take me.
I'm successful here at Davies because of my amazing teachers and my peers. I think we all work together, and like I said, we're a really tight-knit community.
If you're looking to come to Davies and you're looking to see what opportunities exist, if you want a career in whatever field you're looking for, Davies is the place.